What's up, everyone? Hobbybox here, doing a personal break for Big Ben. Thank you for your purchase, Big Ben. He decided to go for a box of contours. We have a few boxes left on the shelf, and I picked the first one, and that is mystery box, because the serial number is hidden. So, I'll let you know when we open it. Good luck, buddy. Box number is 182. Ooh. That's weird. Popping out. Let's get a monster patch. We start with Youth Movement, Griffin Reinhardt, 68 of 399. Oh, I didn't know he's with the with his Oilers in contours. I think that's the first Griffin Reinhardt Oilers card I see. Sean Monahan, 35, 499. Griffin Reinhardt. That's the first one I see. Nikolai Ehlers, Club Crest. Nikolai Ehlers, Club Crest jersey card. And Alex Ovechkin, 133 of 499. Zachary Fucali, 325 of 499. Rookie auto. And the Hunter Shinkaruk Gold, 84 of 99. That's a reverse jersey number, 84 of 99 instead of 48. Last but not least is Nikki Backstrom Jumbo Fabric. And a gold 10 of 10 Claude Giroux. Gold Claude Giroux and overtime pack. Andre Pavlich, Jordan Wheel, Jerome Igilna, and Curtis Joseph. So there you go, Big Ben. Thank you for your purchase, sir. Wasn't that bad. I've seen worse contour boxes, but that's not bad. Thanks again, buddy.